Record this just a little bit. Let's do it again.
You notice when I let go.
Uh-huh. That's it.
That's one thing I don't have anymore is balance.
I know. My balance has been horrible.
Mine has been awful since I've had these surgeries.
Okay, so now I'm going to ask you to face the counter the whole time.
Okay.
You're going to step sideways
Okay.
toward me and then sideways back. You can keep your hands on the counter or let them go down. There you go.
Should I step off?
Look, yeah, we'll go all the way off.
Okay.
Because part of the challenge is that transition from
Right.
a hard flat surface to a soft.
Yeah, that's where I fell.
Yeah. Yeah.
From
And
the
I wanna-
patio to the grass.
I want to do that one more time.
Okay.
Same thing. So the right knee is the surgical knee. How does the left knee feel?
It feels pretty good.
Okay. Because it's you know, I'm just gonna let you keep going.
Okay.
Go ahead. And so remind me again, how many weeks, I know you told me, since the surgery?
It's been now 5 weeks.
5 weeks.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow, your scar looks awesome.
It does. You can't even tell.
I know.
Wow.
Doesn't that look good?
Mine looks just like that, and I had mine done like 6 years ago.
Yeah. I've been putting vitamin E on it.
I do too. I put vitamin E
Yeah,
on my
yeah, it looks good.
That
So
is
the
awesome.
last one I want to do, I'm going to ask you to walk forward, stop before you get off the mat, and then walk backward.
Ah!
Yes. Okay.
Without holding on.
You can hold on. I want you to hold on. I want you to build confidence. Confidence is more important, really, than anything.
Step off.
Nope, just stay
No?
right there. Now come
Okay.
on back.
She's doing great with her knee.
Yeah.
Well, I did pretty good with mine too, though.
We'll come all the way off here,
Okay.
and then we're going to do one more lap, just like that.
Okay.
Go ahead.
I think any type of surgery, if you do what they tell you to do, you will do fine.
Yeah. And it's a little bit luck of the draw. You know, there's some things you can control and some things you can't.
Right.
Go ahead,
Right.
take a seat for me and rest.